In this installation video, I'll show you how to install the logos on these adapters here if you're getting the logo style kit. So the logo style kit comes with 3 pairs of logos, as you can see here, and one of the pair matches the color of the adapter, and you have 2 other random colors. So to install the logos is fairly easy. You just have to push it in hard. So I'll show you the white one as a contrast. So if you prefer the red one, go ahead and install that to match it if you don't really care about the opposing colors. So I'll install the white one here. It kind of goes along with it really well. You just have to push it really hard right here, and it kind of goes in and it snugs, and see, it doesn't come off. So this is friction fit. The same thing goes right here. I'll just put that in. Just push it hard. Now if you want it to be permanent, or actually, let me take that back. If you don't want it to be permanent, just put a dab of glue stick to make it tacky and stick it on. So that'll stick pretty good. It won't come off. It shouldn't come off even if you did cartwheels in your games. But if you want it to make it really permanent, put in crazy glue and that should work. It'll never come off. But if you want to change colors, of course, you wouldn't do that. But that is how you install a logo. Pretty easy. We designed this to be where, to err on the safe side, we rather make it the logo kind of loose fitting. So if that's the case for you, because we're using different printers and every printer has their own behavior and personality, different characteristics, we err on the safe side to make it a little bit more loose, because we rather have it loose than not fit at all. So that's pretty important. But in this case, you see the tolerances are perfect. It just fits in without losing or using any glue. So if you find it a little loose, just use glue stick and that should hold it just fine. Thank you.